this place, huh?
Mama, can we go there? That's what.
Kayla, go see him. He probably has the bird feed.
No.
Stop, Evan. Okay, go ahead and feed it. William!
Bring it right up to him. He won't bite you. Put it right in front of him.
That's not right in front of him.
Right to him. Bring it right to him.
There you go. He's probably just not hungry today. Go ahead, see if you can hold him. Look, Billy, Dad's got one. Look, Daddy got a bird. Trying to feed him a wood chip. Okay, you ready? It's too hard for you to hold, Willie, because it spills. Wow. There's a lot of birds in here, Will.
You're not supposed to let go of it, Kayla.
No, you just hold it, babe. They like it, though. Look, she's eating it.
Willie.
Oh, wow, look at that little...
Willie.
Willie, come see them.
Willie, come here, buddy.
Yes, one's on your head, Evan. Mikhail, look at all the birds.
There's one on your head there.
No, that's my sunglasses.
I wanted to get on me.
Just go like this. Go real, kind of jump and he'll fly off. There you go.
Mama! Good at that one.
Okay. She always makes her brother do everything first. And it's funny because that's how Josh was when we were kids. He'd always be like, you do it, Melissa. And then maybe I'll do it if you survive. And Mikhail and Evan do the same thing. Willie had to take a shower with Dad. Poor Willie. I didn't feel like bringing all three. We got Zach to go swim with us last night, though. He had Evan diving in the 9-foot deep end for rocks, and he would go down and get them in 9 feet. Like, it was nothing. Didn't even have to take a big breath when it came out. Evan, say hi to Graham.
Hi.
He's busy. Let me see you do it. Kayla, come here. Kayla, come here. Hey, what state are you in? What state are you in?
I don't know. Alabama.
Um,
Yeah, that's the one.
Tennessee. Say hi to Graham.
Hey, Grammy. I saw a girl was down there, and she's pink, and she's been down there for 10 minutes. Maybe she wants to go down there.
Okay, say goodnight. Say goodnight to Graham. Say goodnight to Graham. Hi, Graham. Do you know what state we're in? What state are we in?
Kentucky.
No, Kentucky was yesterday. We're in Tennessee. All right, good night.